tong jong kathan ngangai bagani kasngi ke bakrau ya kadong ya kathan barok kawai bat kasngi ke bangi la ap mi lanti mentala de po snam nadu bangi yo ya kani kecela bat menta kasngi ke bangi amnun bangi nyui bangin penkaladur ya kani kamadan ke bangi laju ya kren na kapor ki function ke pair bangi kwa banyui ke jingkaladur jong kani kamadan menta kasngi kala urlang Panangit kini ketika jingkerku ya barak kinong song sinong jang Motion Road constituency hi barak kawai bat omtang jang Motion Road constituency handai jang West Kasi Hill si barak kawai bat kini kajia bat kini ku urlang kadai na kajing Shashkar bat kajing Solam jang chief minister bat sport minister ya kajing kerpan bat ya kajing ut kajing nam kajunga kumu MLA ujong pi bat kajing ut kajing nam kajong pi kipat ba no motion run bat jong West Kasi Hill si barok kawai masukwa tu EP kendian kapur nganum sim namar kapur kambun kan chief minister bat sport minister dengan apa benda tu EP ba have clear kumu sport minister ide batre sitam hadu kata bat hakani ka constituency kajongi nadu pangiyo ekajela ide sport minister ibaningkong ibawan yuk kejan hagane ko constituency ko jungi berkata kejungwan yuk kejat ko jungi kamdei tang sisin handai menta kalada dia arsin arwan tang hapo sisnam berkasin ke baningkong ilawan kadang te po senduli bat menta kasin ke baar kadai hangne hapo Riangdo football ground bat ilawan ru ringkat kijing ai subha beringkat kijing erap di sport club bat menta kadi kecingram kapakam he hamtam ya kani kamadan bahap ngimdan ni bangin siu kaliang pi handai tang kecing duai kecing kenmau bat kecing kenmau buram na kaliang kujungi bat kecing kerku kerdo ya pi bat pinang yo ya kamet kepokot kebakia bat pinang yo ya kecing start kecing syampang bat pinang lam lenti bat pinang prat lenti ya kejelah ya barok kuai bat pinang kiu hagi jam kijong pi kubne sibun pi pajba kubne sibun ya barak kemudian menta hangne bat chua bangan penkut ya kecing kren kejonga once again sir before I conclude my speech I feel personally very happy and blessed that this is happening to our people in the constituency. Once again, on behalf of the people of Motion Road, I would like to extend my gratitude and my well wishes to both of you, our Chief Minister and the Sport Minister. Thank you so much. Thank you once again, Mitala.
Makwa penganai kubli kerpangru, ya damili bedon burom jofi, ba Methodist Dakar, belong rukumun men jonga. Ya kaba nakapor nakaliang kajong ngai sisa baidan ya kata jingkit kli kumu MLA ya kaba inwan banyak kendo banyak keren ni kijing jong pi kinong song sinong jong kan Time Motion Road barok kawe kajing ya kendo kajong nakapor yang UCM banyak keren ya kajing don kam jong ikon samla jong kan dong katan kajong pi ngangit scam piayo yu MLA badan sisa ya kemensim ban syakri di pajba lingba kajing tri sistem kajong kani kasngi ngilala bungin man bo uni mo nong rim hangne pos nong Riangdo badani kamadan ilabu ya kabangin tayno sen makanum slam su ya kabangin saai ko kada pangilabo ru pangilamang ya kani kamadan haduk hendai kurtam ya kabantay kani kamadan kani Hapo Motion Road constituency kanumkut kan hangni ngong yipi batsen sa hamoten kut min salak min asi kendur stadium kata kadai kajing tre sistem jong MLA jong pi uban nakapor sakapor uwan banyak kendo lada susong thaj lada amtrei kini baro nginum la bangin wanra hangni hapo kasunong kajong pi bat haka konstitusi kajong pi kubli sibone ye MLA jong pi ubala tre sistem sisa sa sisin manum sim tanya kapor dan Chief Minister jungi kan kapor ngangit ba in sa kampensay kamba susu handai ngadap na kajikemen sa sisin ban ong pi bakalong sisa kasni ke bakamen na kamta jungi baro ya ka bangiyo bangin bu yuni monong rem hakan ni ka sni ke bamenta kubli shibo ne pi baro.
My colleague in the cabinet, Honorable Minister in charge of Sports and Youth Affairs, Bashaklir Wajri, our local MLA and my dear friend Mathodius Dakar, the local MLA of Moshurut constituency, all the traditional heads who are present out here today, and all my dear friends who have come to be part of this very, very memorable moment for the people of this area. At the very outset, I would like to thank God Almighty for all the blessings that He has given to each and every one of us, and for this beautiful day that He has blessed each and every one of us with. I also would like to thank our local MLA, Mathodius, for having invited me out here to be part of this program. And I've been wanting to come here for a very long time. And today, with the invitation of the Sports Minister and the invitation of the MLA, I've had this opportunity to be here, to be part of this program, and to visit the constituency, and more importantly, to meet each and every one of you. Friends, this is a very memorable day. I was just speaking to your local MLA, and he was telling me that even as a young boy, he remembers playing here in this field. And many other youths and many other people who have now grown up and are in different walks of life have played in this particular field. But for 52 years, there was no investment or no work that was done to improve the infrastructure of this particular ground. But it is very heartening to see that within 1 year of becoming your MLA, within 1 year of Bashaklir becoming the Sports Minister, close to about 9 plus, that means almost 10 crores is being sanctioned to improve this particular field. And this is a great blessing for the people of this area. I urge you to take responsibility. I urge you to stay away from all the wrong things in life. It is very easy in today's world to get distracted, be it social media, be it drugs. I hope that all of you will take that responsibility and tell yourselves that you would want to be focused on the right things and good things in life. That you would come out to be responsible and good citizens of our state and of our country. And that is really what our effort is. But it can only happen if we all work together. I also once again thank our local MLA, again a person who is very, very dynamic, person who is very concerned about his constituency. Just sitting here right now, 5-10 minutes with him, he did not lose the chance to again propose new roads, new PHCs, new CHCs in the constituency, and he gave me the list right now. And that is how much he's concerned about his constituency. He said, he gave me the whole list right now, just sitting right here. And I appreciate his energy and I appreciate his concern, and I would assure him that his constituency is a constituency which needs a lot of support. I know it. In the last 6 years, I have overall seen the economic growth, development challenges of the whole state, and I have realized how much this region, especially West Khasi Hills area, requires huge investments, especially in road infrastructure, health infrastructure, and education infrastructure. And hence we are very much concerned about it, and I want to assure him and the people of Moshanrut area that we will work together to ensure that we are able to bring the different developments that the people of this constituency deserve. And once again, I thank the department and all the officials who have made this program a great success. Thank you very much, and may God bless each and every one of us, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shibun, Matela, and Jai Hind.